All right. What do you say?
Happy Easter.
To who?
Happy Easter, Poppy and Mama.
And who else?
Happy Easter, Papa and Mama.
And who else?
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Anybody else?
Happy Easter, Willie.
Uncle Willie.
Yeah.
Who else?
Happy Easter, Nana.
And who else?
Happy Easter, Papa.
How about Aunt Steffi or Maddie?
Happy Easter, Maddie and Duffy.
And Uncle Will?
Happy Easter, Will.
What did you get? What did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Me, Bobby.
I brought your Barbie.
Yeah.
All right, say love you.
I love you too.